This module introduces you to the power and precision of Adobe Illustrator, one of the most respected tools in the professional graphic design world. While Canva is user-friendly and web-based, Illustrator offers unmatched flexibility, pixel-perfect control, and infinite scalability through the use of vector graphics. In this module, you will learn how Illustrator can elevate their creative process by offering tools to build logos, illustrations, digital paintings, posters, icons, and branding kits from scratch with industry-standard quality. Explanation. 1. The essence of vector graphics for artists. To understand Adobe Illustrator, you must grasp the fundamentals of vector graphics. Unlike raster images, made of pixels, vector images are created using mathematical paths and anchor points, which means they never lose quality when resized. They are editable at any scale. They are ideal for print and branding. File sizes remain efficient. You will explore real-world examples where vector graphics shine, such as logo design, illustration, typography art, product labels, and packaging. 2. Adobe Illustrator Interface and Workspace Setup. We dive deeply into setting up Illustrator, welcome screen, navigating new projects, recent files, and presets, workspace layout, tools panel, properties panel, layers, artboards, customizing the workspace, organizing panels for illustration, typography, or branding needs, navigation tips, zooming, panning, and moving around large canvases. You will set up their first artboard, adjust units, pixels, inches, millimeter, and begin understanding how the Illustrator environment empowers organized, high-quality design. 3. Core Illustrator Tools for Artists. Mastery begins with tools. We explore Illustrator's core creative tools one by one: selection and direct selection tool. Move and modify shapes precisely. Pen tool, the backbone of vector art, creating custom curves and shapes. Shape tools, build compositions using rectangles, ellipses, and polygons. Brush tool, for freehand drawing and expressive strokes. Eraser, scissors, and knife, cutting paths and refining artwork. This section also explains the difference between stroke and fill, layering concepts and grouping objects to keep artwork manageable. 4. Typography and custom text manipulation. Adobe Illustrator allows for high-level typographic control, enabling artists to use custom fonts or create their own letter forms, convert text to outlines and edit each letter like an object, apply effects like warping, 3D extrusion, and gradient fills, use text on path for curved or circular lettering, create logos, quote posters, or stylized alphabets. This is perfect for visual poets, authors, t-shirt designers, or mural artists seeking to turn words into visual impact. 5. Paths, layers, and anchor points. You will explore how every shape in Illustrator is built using paths, points, and curves. You will learn adding, deleting anchor points, manipulating Bezier curves, using the Pathfinder panel to combine and subtract shapes, managing layers for complex artwork, essential when building scenes, layouts, or reusable assets. This builds foundational knowledge for more advanced work like character design, scene illustrations, or custom icons. 6. Color theory and swatch libraries in Illustrator colors. In Illustrator are not just for aesthetics, they are mathematical. You will learn using CMYK versus RGB depending on your output, print or web, creating and saving custom color swatches, applying gradients, patterns, and mesh coloring for detailed artwork, accessing global color themes, brand kits, and Adobe color integrations. This is especially useful for branding, packaging design, and product illustrations. 7. Exporting and using vector artwork. Once a design is ready, Illustrator provides multiple professional export options. AI, Adobe Illustrator source files. EPS, SVG, scalable vector for web. PDF, print ready. PNG, JPEG, for preview or digital use. You will also learn how to optimize files for clients, vendors, and online use, including exporting with transparent backgrounds and creating portfolio-ready pieces. 8. Real-life use cases of Illustrator for artists. To ground the knowledge, this section explores how different types of artists use Illustrator. Illustrators, character creation, comic inking, backgrounds. Logo designers, branding symbols, mascots, vector badges. Fashion designers, vector sketches, fabric pattern layout. Packaging designers, templates, die lines, label artwork. Tattoo artists, clean line art for stencil creation, hands-on practice ideas. Create a logo for your personal artist brand. Illustrate a vector version of your hand-drawn artwork. Use the pen tool to trace and stylize an object or animal. Create a typographic poster with effects. Export your design as SVG for web use. Goal of the module. By the end of this module, you will understand how to navigate Illustrator's complex yet powerful system, build scalable, professional-level designs, and transition their traditional or Canva-style work into full-fledged vector graphics ready for clients, publishing, or high-quality print.